In today's video, I'll show you how to fix the Crimson Desert not launching issue on PC. Go to search menu and type Windows Security, click on Open it. Select the Virus and Threat Protection and select Manage Settings. Scroll down and select Add or Remove Exclusions and select Yes. Select Add an Exclusion and select Folder. Navigate to the Game folder. Select the Game folder and select Folder option. Game folder has been added to this list. Now go to Virus and Threat Protection and select Protection History. Threat found, click on the drop down and select Yes. As you can see, game related file, select Action and select Allow on Device option and select Yes. And same thing under here, select Quarantined Game File, select Add Actions and select Restore. Under here, check if any other files are there. Once you've done this, close tab here and go to the game folder. Scroll down, open bin64, scroll down and open this TSC Universe Launcher. Just right click and select Run as Administrator and select Run option. Select Yes. And as you can see, the game opens up without having any problem. I hope this video helped you. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you.